And as we said in the first video for this chapter, there's a couple of interesting things we're going to do with the mouse with relative positions. But first, we're just going to start with the basics. But before we do that, I just want to come in here and take a look at what's going on. First, the mouse value is already been captured. We've already got the code for that here in get user input, so we don't have to do that. Did that already. Now I'm just going to go to the update method, and I'm just going to do something here temporarily. This is not permanent code. I'm just going to type in mouse01 dot so that you can see here's all the different things that the system knows about for the mouse. We've got the left, middle, and right button. We've got the scroll wheel. We've got the X and Y position. We've got a few other things here. Just that's kind of what we're going to deal with. So we'll just get rid of this, and that's the IDE here gives you a lot of good information. You just have to go in and poke around a little bit. So here we are at the top of the class. So we're going to start adding our variables. So we're just going to do the basics here. So we're going to have labels and values for just some of the basic functions. So we've got a string, and we're going to try to use the same naming convention. We're going to have to change the naming convention just a little bit because we've actually got X and Y positions. So that's going to be a little bit confusing when we get to that. So string, text string mouse, left click label, and then string, text string mouse, middle click label. And remember, the scroll wheel is actually a button. It's actually the middle mouse button also. It does double duty. So string, text string mouse, right click label. Okay, so that's our first three labels. We're going to have 6 different functions we're going to capture in this first section of basic mouse functionality. So string, text string mouse, and X underscore pause. Remember, this is not like position for the label. This is just the X position of the mouse. So string, text string mouse, Y pause label. And then our last one here is the value on the scroll wheel. So string, text string mouse, scroll val label. And you could spell out value. It's only 2 more letters, but okay, zoom ahead, and there's the values. So we've got the labels, we've got the values. We'll save it, and now we need the positions. So these are vector 2s, and just kind of going up to the top there. So we've got our text string mouse, left click label, and underscore pause. So naming convention on these has underscore pause at the end. So it's a vector 2. It's basically the same name with underscore pause appended. So text string mouse, middle click, label, underscore pause. And so here we are, skipped ahead. And there we go. So we've got our strings, we've got our vector 2s, and you see the mouse X pause underscore pause and Y pause underscore pause. A little goofy, Save it. That's it. It's all in your book, and we'll see you next time.